All right, we got a lot to cover here in weather. Let's start with precision right now. Notice heavy rain starting to fill into the area. A pretty good shield of rainfall moving through at this moment. We can expect moderate to heavy rain for the rest of this overnight hours. Pretty good sleeping weather. Off to the west, though, notice the blues and the pinks showing up on precision. Wintry mix here through central Illinois, even some snowfall in far northwestern Illinois. There's a cold front moving in, and that's going to cool temperatures down dramatically. Near record warm today is sayonara tomorrow. We're going to have a lot of cold air on the way after this. Now, we are under a flood warning here in Tippecanoe County. That's because we are expecting another inch to possibly 2 or more inches of rain through the overnight hours. So the Wabash River Valley, as you can see here, even through Fountain and Warren counties under that flood warning, as some lowland areas may see some flooding. Now notice the purple counties here, Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties under a winter weather advisory. Possibility of some sleet, maybe even some freezing rain as this cold air starts to infiltrate through the overnight hours into the early part of tomorrow morning. Could see a little bit of glazing on the roads with some ice, so travel could be a little treacherous tomorrow. We'll keep a close eye on that and give you more information here in just a bit. Highs today, everybody enjoyed it. This was the big talk of the day. 59 at the airport in Lafayette. We got to 61 degrees here at the station, just a few degrees shy of the record, getting down to 67 degrees in Evansville. Currently, we're starting to cool down. You can see the cold front starting to move its way in. 41 right now here in Lafayette, 31 in Chicago, still holding on to the middle and upper 70s in far southern Indiana. A very warm air mass in place, very cold one behind this front, and we will start to tap into that through the overnight hours. Again, 41 degrees right now. We are experiencing some moderate rain here in Lafayette, and we will continue to hold on to those rain showers for the rest of this evening. Closer look at satellite radar shows the heavy rain moving in through the area. Candyteal and Chalmers and Marianne and Remington both already have received about a ½ inch, and we'll tack on another inch or more through the overnight hours. As you can see, a lot of moderate heavy rain still to go through the rest of the overnight hours, and Futurecast shows that very well. As we go through tomorrow morning on Futurecast, we will take a break from the rain in the morning hours, and as the temperatures start to crash as this cold front comes in, we'll start to see a transition to a wintry mix tomorrow morning here in Lafayette, and a more early transition to a wintry mix in our northwest counties. Notice how we get to about 34 degrees by 7 in the morning tomorrow, and then we just cool off into the upper 20s for the rest of the afternoon. And Futurecast shows this transition. Notice the blues popping up here in the afternoon into the evening hours on Sunday. Now, with this heavy rain, again, we're under that flood warning. Let's talk about how much rain we're expecting. We're placing the heaviest rain band right through the heart of our viewing area. We could see up to 2 inches of rain in some areas, maybe even a little bit more in isolated spots. But areas just outside of Lafayette here, maybe 1.5 inches towards Rensselaer, close to 2 inches in Fowler, so some very heavy rain. On the back side of this, maybe some snowfall as well. We're not expecting significant snowfall accumulations. However, just to show you the dynamics of this system, we could see a dusting, maybe ½ inch of snow by tomorrow evening into Monday morning. That's when everything starts to transition. Also, if you live in Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties, you could see a little bit of ice accumulation. 1/10 of an inch to maybe even 2/10 of an inch of freezing rain possible through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. So do keep that in mind if you have any travel plans for tomorrow. 40 degrees is the current temperature. We will fall through the overnight hours and really all day tomorrow. The rain will be heavy at times, transitioning to a wintry mix by tomorrow. 28 degrees on Monday. You know, we really quiet things down dramatically next week. Not really calling for any big precipitation chances next week. We stay pretty dry and near average. Temperatures right around freezing really all through the 7-day.
Well, I don't know what you two think, but Jesse, you were right. It's perfect sleeping weather.
It really is. I can't wait to get home and get in bed and listen to the rain fall on the roof.
All right, Jesse, thank you. And it was a beautiful day outside, but